Hey everyone, welcome back to WindowzTech. Are you frustrated because your PC doesn't meet the requirements for the new Windows 11 to 4H2 update? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a workaround to upgrade to Windows 11 to 4H2. Even if your hardware doesn't make the cut, let's get started. Step 1. Check your current hardware. Right-click the Start button and select System. Make a note of your CPU, RAM, and storage. The minimum requirements to upgrade to Windows 11 to 4H2 are generally the same as the base requirements for Windows 11. Here are the requirements. Make sure you have them. Step 2. Download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Next, go to the official Microsoft website and download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Over here in the search, type Windows 11 Installation Assistance. Click on the Download Now button to download the assistance. Step 3. Create installation media optional. If you prefer, you can create a bootable USB drive using the Media Creation tool. Select Create Installation Media and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 4. Bypass compatibility check. Now, we need to bypass the compatibility check. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to HKEY_local_machine, System, Setup, Most Up. Right-click in the right pane, select New DWORD 32-bit value, and name it Allow Upgrades with Unsupported TPM or CPU. Double-click on it and set the value to 1 and click OK. Step 5. Run the Installation Assistant. Once the registry change is made, run the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Follow the prompts to upgrade your system to Windows 11 to 4H2. This process takes a lot of time, so hang in there. After the installation is complete, check that all your drivers are up to date and check the version also. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded to Windows 11 to 4H2 on unsupported hardware. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.